Hi, my name's Greg Jameson, and I've got a question for you. Did your business get demolished because of the Corona slap? Are you looking for ways to either supplement or replace your income online? The stay-home mandates have caused many businesses to reevaluate. The result is you're probably needing to find new ways to make income while working from home. But what if there was a way to easily create a virtual extension of your products or services, even if you don't currently have anything to sell? I've been working from home for over 20 years while generating a six-figure income. Allow me to introduce myself. As I said, my name's Greg Jameson, and I have won multiple awards for my businesses, including Colorado Small Business of the Year, being listed on the Inc. 500, International Developer of the Year. I've developed hundreds of websites. I've been the author of multiple #1 best-selling books and have been considered an industry pioneer by creating internet applications clear back since 1995 and e-commerce applications since 2002. I actually built my own house where I work. I work in my home. I've always wanted to live in a log cabin, so I built my own house that, as you can see, sits out on acreage. Uh, we have had horses, we have wildlife, uh, big cathedral ceilings, and I've been working here, as I said, for the past 20 years. And I've done this with multiple streams of income. I've done website design, value-added hosting and support, all types of marketing for people with advertising and email and text messaging, videos, uh, review marketing. I write a blog, I do a podcast. But here's what's really important. I've done all this while working from home. Let me ask you a question. Do you remember when you were a kid and you played a game with your friends, and in the middle of the game, someone would change the rules? You'd get all angry and mad and stomp off because your friend would change the rules. You'd say, "You can't change the rules, that's not fair." Some people today are getting upset and having a tantrum just like a 12-year-old. Well, I started thinking about how in business during this crazy quarantine time, the rules of the game have changed. Look, I get it. Businesses get hit with rule changes all the time. If you're like me, I threw a tantrum and got mad and angry whenever Google changed the rules and slapped me, or when Facebook changed their algorithm, or when my hosting company made changes that almost put me out of business. Today, businesses are closing due to coronavirus. The rules of the game have changed because of COVID-19. Many of us are being forced to work from home. Digital transformation has been thrust upon us whether we are ready or not. But rather than getting mad, you need to ask a new question. How do I win with the new rules in place? You see, the fact is people still need things. When the dust settles on coronavirus, there will be businesses that go under and others that rise to a whole new level of success. While everyone is freaking out, wealthy people are looking for opportunities. And there's a lot of opportunity today. More than 50% of the 2009 list of Fortune 500 companies were launched during a recession or bear market. So we need to start making the shift online. And I know some of you are struggling with how to do this, whereas others have known for a while that you should, and you've just put it off. It was interesting. I was asked recently what my top 3 tips were for working from home. And this is what I answered. 1, you need to have multiple streams of income. You can see some of the examples here below. 2, you should always be experimenting and creating content. And 3, you need to stay connected. But when we are working from home, all these things can become difficult, but there is a solution. One of the things that I've been doing throughout my career is to teach people how to manage and maintain their own e-commerce websites. Now you might be thinking, no, I'm not technical. I don't have anything to sell, or I don't even have a website. But instead of worrying about those things, because all those things are addressed in the online course that I'm going to be teaching here starting on Thursday afternoon, don't think about how you're not technical. The course is going to show you exactly what to do step by step. If you don't have anything to sell, the course is going to show you how you can come up with things to sell. And if you don't have a website, by the end of the course, you actually will have a functional website that you know how to manage and maintain. So imagine instead about creating a life that is independent of location, an income that's scalable to your lifestyle, and that is not affected by any kind of shutdowns. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get all the live Zoom calls. The course lasts for 8 weeks. And each week we have 90-minute calls that are going to be live. You get access to that. You get access to all the recorded lessons so you can watch it over and over again at your leisure, even if you can't attend the live class. You get your own student work area, basically a hosted website during the duration of the class, where you can experiment with different things without it affecting your live site. You're going to be invited to participate in a live Facebook group so that you can ask questions of your fellow students and interact with me. And you're going to get email and phone support. Plus, you're going to get some great bonuses, including 4 bonus sessions and 2 one-on-one support sessions with me so that we can address the specific needs of your business and your online presence. You're going to get this complete program. It's called Monetize Your Expertise, even when staying at home. You're going to learn to manage and maintain your website, turn your website into a cash machine, and drive traffic to your site whenever you need to. That's over a $5,000 value. Now, normally I would charge $1,997 for this course, but because of where we are today, I'm not going to do that. Instead, you're going to get the no-brainer price of only $497. But because you're watching this video, I'm not even going to charge you that. If you use the discount code of 50 off per Greg, you'll get it for only $247. That's half off, 50% off, by using that discount code. So for $247, all you need to do is visit webstoreslimited.com/sign up. Now, you might still be wondering, well, what exactly is in this course? So here's the modules that are going to be in this 8-week course. We're going to discuss how to manage and maintain your WordPress website. We're going to discuss selling retail with WooCommerce, wholesale sales, selling services, affiliates, memberships and courses, search engine optimization and videos, advertising and list marketing, plus the bonus sessions about images and image optimization. If you don't have anything to sell, we're going to talk about what I'm going to sell. We're going to have a bonus session on specialty sales, such as multi-vendor sites, and we'll discuss website performance and security. At the end of the course, you are going to have a fully functional website and the knowledge of how to generate sales through multiple streams of income, even when you're staying at home. You will know how to make this happen on demand whenever you need new sales. So just visit webstoreslimited.com/sign up. That's webstoresltd.com/sign up. Use the discount code of 50 off per Greg, and you can register for only $247. But you need to do this soon because the course starts this Thursday, April 16th at 4 o'clock Mountain Time. That's 3 o'clock Pacific Time, 5 o'clock Central Time. You need to be registered before then because this works just like a college class. You have to register ahead of time and then show up for the class, even though we will have the recordings. So if you've got any questions on this at all, feel free to give me a call at 303-688-6560. And I look forward to having you in the class and seeing you there.